Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to this quick less than 10-minute Pilates ab workout. We're just going to get seated on our bum, and we're just going to take a nice seated cat and cow, so rounding out our spine first. And then inhale, slightly arching, looking up. Exhale, rounding out that spine, pulling under your knees. Inhale, looking up, lengthening. Exhale, rounding out the spine. Inhale, coming up. And now exhale, rounding out your spine. And then slowly with your abs, hold yourself halfway back in your C curve. Stack your arms on top of each other. And we're just going to come up and back. So inhale at the top, exhale as you come back, trying to keep your rib cage close to your hips, engaging those abs. Nice and slow here, keeping your posture as well, trying not to lose your shoulders. And a few more. Just one more, then we're going to hold ourselves back and then twist twice to one side, twist, twist, then center, inhale, exhale, exhale, center, exhale, exhale. So double twist here, keeping that C curve, keeping your engagement. If you're uncomfortable with the hands, you can always just grab your hands together, palms together, and interlacing your fingers. And now just twisting one side each, so just twist and right away twist to the other side. Breathing normally here. Keeping that engagement. Hold it, come back to center, lengthening your arms and slowly coming down to the mat. And we're going to begin with a nice little combo. So we're going to bend both our knees, abs are engaged, belly button to the spine. Take a nice inhale in, reach and stretch your legs out, and then exhale, bring them back in. Inhale, stretch, exhale together, and then we're going to bicycle our legs 4 times. Exhale each time you bend the knee. So inhale, stretch, exhale together, inhale, stretch, exhale together, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Good. Together, stretch, together, stretch. Try not to lose your engagement here. If you feel your lower back is lifting, maybe bring your hands under your bum, or just take a break and wait till you have that strength to keep that engagement, because it's very important. And now just pause on one side after this one. Inhale, exhale, lift your body up. Bring your elbow to the knee, opposite. And we're just going to bicycle, crunch it out. So just alternating sides each time. Exhaling each time you bring your elbow to the knee. And last one, now pause on one side, bend your extended leg and bring your body down. And we're just going to take a nice inhale in, exhale, lift our upper body to the bent knee. Then as we come down, we stretch that bent knee and bring our body down. And then we just crunch up again. Inhaling down, exhaling up. And trying to extend our leg as much as we can. And up. Trying to go higher and higher each time. See if you can go even higher now. Good. And let's pulse it. So pulsing the knee and the upper body. Breathing normally here. You've got it. And hold. And now just release. Bring your leg down. Stretch both of them. Bring your hands behind your head and just create a nice arch in your back to stretch out those abs. Alrighty, get ready. We're gonna come back to our combo again, so bending those knees. Inhale as you extend them out. Exhale as you bring them back in. Once again, back, and then bicycle legs 4 times. Inhale, exhale, exhale. And back to the beginning. Stretch the legs and bend, keeping your abs nice and engaged, belly button to the spine, and bicycle legs. Keep going. And bend, stretch, bend, stretch, and bicycle your legs out. And now pause on one side again, and let's lift our upper body up. Inhale, exhale, lift, twist to the knee, and let's do our bicycle crunches, alternating side to side. Inhale, exhale, exhale. Keep going. And now pause on that other side. Bend your extended leg, bring your body down. Inhale, exhale, we're going to crunch up and then extend our leg and bring our body down. Then crunch back up and down. Make sure to be on the other side here. And each time you're trying to lift higher and higher, trying to engage those abs every time you do so. And up. Inhale, exhale, up. And now last one, and we're gonna pulse it. Pulse the knee and the upper body. Trying to go higher and higher, breathing normally here. Keep going. You've got it. I know it burns, because it was for me. And hold and release down. Stretch your legs and your arms above. Create a nice arch in your back to stretch out those abs. And just breathing in and out, catching your breath. Bend your knees again, bring them to your chest. And just roll yourself back up. Coming onto your knees. And we're just going to stretch out our abs again, coming to a nice cobra. Lifting and opening that chest. And now inhale, exhale, come to your child's pose. And now just release back up, and you are finished for today. Thank you all for joining me today. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.